Hello everybody. There's really no major point for this video today other than to let you guys know that I am still here. That is correct. I am still here. I'm still your teacher. I am still doing lessons whether you're listening to them or not. I do want you guys to know I so appreciate so many of you guys and the nice emails and texts that I've been getting, and the fact that some of you guys are still working and doing stuff and responding to my polls and looking at your work and submitting your work. And I am so grateful for you guys because I know these are super crazy times. So I wanted to just do a video today just because, and because we're rolling up on the end of the year, and you're only going to get a handful more of these. Like, what are you going to even do with yourself? I wanted to let you know that due to the poll, 90 something of you guys took it, which really does make me feel so good. Like, I know that you're still out there. I know it's a very big struggle right now. Motivation to keep going. And so the same thing happens as a teacher. It's hard to have motivation to keep going if you guys aren't doing it. So every time I get a text or an email or someone fills out a poll or submits a grade, that just kind of keeps me going and be like, okay, they're still watching, they're still listening, they're still doing something. And I am so grateful for that. So according to the poll that you guys took, at least 30 something of you are interested in just taking the test and giving it a shot and see what you can apply. And I really like this idea because I would like to see how well you guys can do on the test for government now that we're putting it all together. So I am going to post below a Kahoot. You know where to find all the resources to review. I'm also going to just post a study guide. I am not saying that you have to do it, but if you want to go through and look at it, so to kind of give you an idea about what will be on the test, you can do that and you can study for it however you want, or you don't have to study at all and you can just wing it just to see how you do. And I will be posting the test tomorrow, which is Friday, which is an off day. So you guys can decide to take it, see how you do on it. And if you don't want to, you totally do not have to. But I think it's a great opportunity just to see, hey, am I understanding what has happened or what's gone on? I did get a complaint for the boring opportunity you had for learning yesterday with the local government, city and county. But let me just tell you this. That is literally my least favorite standard of the entire curriculum. And it is really difficult and hard to understand, and it's difficult and hard to make entertaining from a teaching perspective. So we're kind of just grazing over it just so that you understand that you get government services through both your county and your city because you live in both. I'm sorry if it wasn't super entertaining, but we did the best we could to make it like useful. So anyway, I hope that is everything you need. If you have questions, please email me, text me, and then I guess I will be giving some shout outs. So for period 1, I'm looking at my list and I've been marking who I've been shouting out to, and I just kind of randomly do them. And I think I'm down to a handful, but I'm going to shout out to Dylan Weber today because I was thinking about her. She's always so positive and perky, and she always has a smile on her face. I wonder if she's still like that, or has quarantining and isolation changed her? I kind of feel like not. I wonder if Flora Mendoza is just as polite and smart as she was before quarantining. I feel like yes, because she is still doing her work and doing very well on it as well. I wonder if Kyan Wynn is still kind of sneaky and throwing stuff around his own house. He thought I didn't notice, but I kind of did. I wonder if from 6th period, I wonder what Reagan Christ is doing. I know what she's doing. She's doing her work because she does it all the time. And I appreciate you, Reagan. Big shout out, super props. I wonder if we went back to class today, 7th period, 34 desks full, if I would still confuse Aaron and Jacob, even though they look nothing alike, just because they had the same name. I'm going to think probably, because that would be kind of crazy and overwhelming, wasn't it? Anyway, I miss you guys. We are on the home stretch. We started this year together. I feel like we should just keep on going. We have like a week and a half left, so we might as well see it through to the end. I am still here. I am still teaching, and I hope you are doing a little something too. Thinking about you guys. And if you want to take the test, it will be posted for you on Friday. And if you don't, that's okay too. You can give it a go, see what happens. Talk to you guys soon.